In this tutorial, you'll learn how to convert PDFs that contain scanned pages or non-selectable text inside images to Markdown using PyMuPDF 4 LLM. First up, install PyMuPDF 4 LLM. Once installation is complete, import the library. The first example is a PDF document that contains a single scanned page. The method to Markdown is all you need to extract text as Markdown. Here is the result. Optical character recognition has been automatically performed using Tesseract. Note that Tesseract or RapidOCR has to be already installed on your system for OCR to be available. In the second example, the source document contains both selectable text and non-selectable text. Thanks to PyMuPDF 4 LLM hybrid OCR technology, OCR will only be performed on non-selectable text. Here is the result. It is possible to disable OCR on all pages or on specific pages. To prevent OCR from running at all, even on pages with no selectable text, set Use OCR to false. When OCR is disabled, the non-selectable text is not present in the output. When using the default Tesseract adapter, if the source document is in another language than English, you should specify one or more languages to be used by the OCR engine using Tesseract's language codes. Default is ENG, English. Make sure that the respective language data files are installed. Remember to use correct Tesseract language codes. In this example, the code DEU is used because the source document is in German. Here is the result. Subscribe for more PyMuPDF tutorials.